Got it.
Oh, wait, Jill. So wait a minute. So on the duplex, the total rent is 1375.
1375 times 2,
Okay, so
2750.
okay, so 250, 80% loan. That's at 9% with the way rates are going.
And they're selling it for 250, Jill?
Yeah.
So they basically, worst case scenario, what'd you say the rent was?
2750.
Okay, so you're making $750. I'm just saying, I estimate on the high end with 20% down, so you're making $750 per duplex.
So Jill, you said, if I heard you right, the master is going for 475.
Yep.
And then what are the other 2 bedrooms going for?
450.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
got it.
And then the other thing is, during the summer, you're at like 50% occupancy. So
Yeah, but the parents are securing the lease and still paying the money, right?
no, it's not for the summer.
Okay, but that's
But
just,
it's going 2 semesters. So you possibly have June and July, like 50% occupancy.
yeah, but that is nothing but a lease. Because in my
Yeah.
daughter in college, we pay year round to, to get her, keep her place. So each side is a 2-bedroom or a 3-bedroom?
3, 2.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, all right, so that's pretty good.
And you're just gonna
I
keep.
mean, $750 worst case cash flow. That's what you have to, right? Because you're giving up 250,000 times, you're giving up $50,000 to make $750. So divided by $750, it's going to take you 67 months. Divided by 12, it's going to take you
5.5 years.
years to break even on your down payment. I don't know about that one.
Mm,
You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I like to break even in 3 years. Otherwise, I don't know. And then you have to say, well, what's the appreciation on them? Some people just want to.
there's really not appreciation in
right,
that
no appreciation.
area. It's all about just profit.
So for me, based on what you told me, I wouldn't be interested. But I know a lot of other people will be, because some people just want an investment property. And even on making $750 a month, they got to take 20% maintenance just in case. 9.8. So they're making $600. I mean, to some people, they get 3 of them. They're making $2,000 a month. I don't know. It'd be worth it. They're gonna
And
sell.
it's by a college, so people will look at that.
Yeah, and I thought that we had an opportunity down there where he was saying that he was going to build some housing for like regular people, grown-ups, like adults in the back there. Because I went down there and looked at that land.
Yep. So he said he wanted to talk to you about that too, but he was going to buy some more land, and he is just going to sell lots, like 1 acre lots or half-acre lots.
And not build them himself.
Yeah, just.
Yeah, we need to talk. I mean, we need to have a conversation, because so we can just structure it all right.
Yeah.
50 acres plus the others. What about that other subdivision he has with those $400,000 or $500,000 house?
Yeah, out where he has his property.
Yeah.
He didn't mention anything about that. I actually went out there. He's
just talking about the land that he had. I'd like to talk to him. I mean, if you could set up a meeting, I would be like on a Friday. I'd like to talk it through with him, just so we can talk it through and see to make it all work, because he's rich, he doesn't really care, and he can just do stuff. But I want to make sure it's stuff that, because once we put our name on it, we want to make sure it's going to be working, right? Because we got to market that stuff to that military base over there.
Right.
I mean, I got a bunch of guys that would buy properties over there. Some people were thinking that $600-700. I just want to make sure the comps are there and the rent is there, and we're gonna do year-round leases with those parents. Those parents gonna have to pony up even in the summertime if they want to hold a spot.
Okay.
Well, I'm not worried about that. You might want to share that information with Scott. If it's him, I'm doing a year-round lease. I'm not doing a lease with no student.